Top 5 Fraud Prevention Strategies for E-commerce. As an online merchant, you can pay attention to the shipping address. Check the location of the IP address used to make the purchase. If the location is far from the shipping address, it is a red flag. Secondly, you can check orders with large quantity or large amounts. You may contact the buyer for verification. Check orders with many purchases using different cards. Furthermore, you can check orders with multiple decline cards by the same purchaser. Check orders with many purchases within a short period of time. Instead of performing fraud detection manually, using a fraud prevention service like FraudLabs Pro can solve your problem easily. Why FraudLabs Pro? Automatically screens all orders. Saves time and money. Protect your business with FraudLabs Pro for free now.